How to change language settings in Microsoft Teams so translated messages appear in the language you prefer. First, open the Microsoft Teams app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, scroll through the settings and tap on Chat. Inside the chat settings, you'll see the translation option. Tap on it to continue. On the next screen, tap Change Translation Language. You'll now see a list of available languages supported by Microsoft Teams. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use for translated messages. After selecting your preferred language, the setting is saved automatically, and all future message translations will appear in the language you've chosen. If you ever want to switch to a different language, simply return to the same menu and select another option. And that's how you can change the translation language in Microsoft Teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.